Welcome back to the channel, everybody. This is Journey into Wealth, the channel where I talk about side hustles, making money, that kind of thing. I'm running an eBay store currently, so if you're in that kind of stuff, subscribe. Today we're opening a jewelry jar that I bought for 65 bucks the other day. I was going to put it in the other video, but the other video just started getting too long, so we're going to make a special video just for this. We're going to unpack this jewelry jar really quick. We're going to see what we found. And hopefully it's something good. Let me get this camera arranged really quick. Do kind of a one-take deal here. All right. So this jewelry jar was 65 bucks, which I know is quite a bit of money. The thing that made me buy it is that watch right there. It's a Nixon watch. I didn't look it up prior to anything. I don't know if it's a good one or not, but typically when I buy these jars and they have good watches in them, they also have other good stuff. So I'm just going to take a risk on it, 65 bucks. Hopefully I get my $65 out of it and maybe find some silver and gold in here. And if I can, all the more power. So let's unwrap it. Okay, so we're just going to breeze through this thing. I'm going to be a little bit cut off from this video because, you know, I can't get everything in here. They tape the top of these things. It's annoying. But whatever. I think we're just going to dump and sort. What do you think? Oh, I see stuff I'm interested in already. If I wasn't in here, I might just break this thing. All right, let's take a look at this Nixon watch first before we get too overwhelmed here. Ooh, there's another nice watch in there. So this is a Nixon. Let's see here. It's a Nixon The Ride. If you want to look that up on eBay, see how I did. It's got a leather band. It looks like it's decent. It probably needs a battery, but that's okay because I have a ton of batteries. Hands turn on it fine. Everything seems to be in order, so that's a win. There's another watch in here too. What is this? Well, it's got a broken link, but I can definitely fix that. Can't read it. Oh, it's an Invicta. Not super good watches, but not bad watches. I can fix the link on it if it turns out to be worth something. There's another watch in here. What is this? Some off-brand watch, probably. Can't see. Yeah, no brand names on it, but you know, it'd be decent for like a seller that sells at flea markets or something like that, maybe. Random bracelets and stuff like that. What I'm really looking for is I'm looking for main chunks of good jewelry that I can make money back on, and then everything else goes into bulk lots. That gets sold on eBay as bulk lots. Let's see here. There's a sterling ring. Sterling CTR ring. It's got sterling on the back, so that's a keeper. See, this is scrap. It's actually broken on the bottom. So it's scrap, but it's scrap silver that I'll say, you know, it's 10 cents or something like that. Ooh, this one feels like it's going to be decent. Oh, you know what? No, this one's going to be one of those Cookie Lee or something like that jewelry. Origami L. Close enough. That would have probably actually sold for Christmas though. That's just bulk junk or maybe flea market lot or something like that. See, I gotta kind of go through this stuff quick. Otherwise this video is going to turn into a 6-hour long ordeal. And let's not have that happen. Alright, let me dump some more stuff and see what else I found. Ooh, there's another watch. An Armatron. That's I actually just sold this watch. It's got a gray face on it, but pretty close to that one. That'll probably sell. I think I sold that for $18.99, so that's definitely an eBayer. What else we got here? It's like a Citizen. No, it's a Seiko. It's an old Seiko. That'll probably sell too. Maybe $5-10 bucks. I don't know. I might lot that one together with a bunch of other watches. These typically don't sell super great. Not that I've found anyway. Another watch. Fossil. That'll probably be part of a lot. What else is in here? Beads and beads and beads and beads. I'm looking for the good. The goods, man. I feel like this is silver. Not so marked though. They're matching. We'll put those aside and test them later. How about that? Get out of there. Alright. Ooh, do we have a G-Shock? It's a baby G-Shock. If that runs, that's worth probably 30-40 bucks. I don't know, I'll have to look that one up. There's another score. We've dumped it all out. Now let's go through it and figure out what we've got here. beads are bad. Beads, I don't care about beads. So I generally just grab a medium flat rate box and throw them in there, but I don't have one of those available right now because I'm lazy. Right behind me there is, nope. What do we got in here? See, this is what happens. Good stuff gets tangled up with bad stuff. This right here, $9.25, at least the chain is. Oh, there it is. $9.25 on the heart too. This little heart necklace with a silver chain. I like it. Beads suck. Look a little better. What do we have here? Something Family 6. I don't know what that is. Crane Family 6. That'll go in the lookup pile for things that don't feel valuable but might be. Lake Powell. I know this isn't gold or silver, but sometimes there's decent brand name stuff. That feels silver to me. Oh, ooh, that might be old silver actually. It says sterling on it. A little earring with a dangly ball. We'll put that over there in the silver. Let's see if I have the other one. Ooh, there's another CTR. Is it sterling? No, it's just cam. I don't know what cam means, but we'll put it over in the sell on eBay pile. I have pretty good luck with Mormon stuff. I live in a town that there's a lot of Mormons in, though, so I'm not supposed to have the lights on. Beads go over here, bracelets go over there. Let's see what else we got here. LC. I don't know what LC is. That's probably Laura Conrad, which is not what I'm looking for. These feel like they could be real. I'm not going to put them in my mouth to find out. You know what I should do? I should do a stream. I should stream jewelry jars. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing that. Because if there's some interest, maybe I'll do a weekly stream. I'll go pick up a jewelry jar and we'll stream the unboxing or the unwrapping or whatever of it. See if I find anything good in it. Maybe I could do like the once a week jewelry jar haul. Nothing good there. Nothing good there. There. I'm going to go fast because I don't want to have to go through this whole thing and cut it all apart. Later, I just wanted to post a one-take wonder. Bracelets. Claire's. There we go, some more silver. I'm going to go through the rest of this really quick, and then we're going to do a highlight at the very end. How about that? Because we're getting almost at 10 minutes, so. Okay, so we just got done doing the jewelry jar. First of all, take a look at how dirty my hands are. Jewelry is kind of gross, so if you're not into that kind of thing, you know, just beware. But let's go through some of the stuff that I found. I found a big chunk of bulk, which I generally do. I found earrings, rings, watches, that kind of thing. I'm going to flip the camera around really quick and we're going to take a look. All right, so this is pretty much all just the bulk stuff. This is either broken or gross or not really something that I would deem as like sellable. It's just going to go into a bead box or a bulk, like large flat rate, let other people sort it out. The rings I'm going to take a little bit closer look at, but for the most part, they're probably going to go in here as well. The earrings, I'll match up good sets. There's a couple things. These are marked, but I don't know the brand on them. They sound cheap, but who knows? They're cowboy boots, so they're themed. But there's a couple other different earring sets in here that I might look at. There's some like old costume stuff, Monet and whatnot in there. So I might take a look at that. Like these ones I think were costume. They're not silver though. They don't have any markings. Not 925 anyway. Some of these over here are things that I either have to look up or they are items that are like I know will sell because of brand names or something like that. This one I still have to look up. This one right here is just a pretty pin. So I pulled it's a nicer quality. These are on card, and so I stuck them off to the side because what I'll do with the nicer stuff like these are all just bracelets. They'll probably actually end up over here. Like this right here, it's still got a price tag on it for 20 bucks, that kind of thing. I'll bag these up and sell them as prepped jewelry lots. So maybe like for $2 a piece or something like that, and I'll sell 50 items or $1 a piece or something like that. These ones I have to look up. I'm pretty certain that this is silver, but I can't find any marks on it. The chain is not, I know that, but this really feels silver to me. This is, I forget who this one was. Sarah Covington. This one is Origami Owl, but it's in really nice condition, and it's a little bit of it's like a locket. I need to look up this watch because it appears as though it's decent, but I haven't looked it up yet. This ring right here, I need to look up because it's got something on the inside that I can't read. Let's see if I can get an angle in there so you can see it. Whatever. And then these are the sellables and the keeps. So out of all of that stuff here, I got a Baby G Casio G-Shock watch. I got a Fossil watch, which will probably be lotted together in a watch box, but I separate my watches out. A Seiko, which we already talked about. This Nixon right here. These right here are real pearl with sterling studs, so I figure I'll either keep those in my sterling pile or sell them. This Nixon watch is probably the home run out of it, I would say, as far as value is concerned. This I might be able to fix and maybe get $10 or $15 for. I don't know. This will probably get 10 or 15 bucks for. But there's, let's say 10 or 15. Let's say 15, 15, that's 30. Let's say 30, there's 60. Let's say another 30, there's 90. And then I've got, and I paid 65 for it. Then I've got an Olympic torch thing that I need to look up. Sterling, 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 sterling. So I got that much sterling out of it. Not a lot, but whatever. So this is the stuff I'll keep, and then this stuff goes into either bulk boxes or I wholesale it out to a flea market seller. And yeah, that's what I got. So hey, I know it's kind of a different video than I generally do. This is something that I do on my, spare time. But let me know if it's something that you'd like to see. I'll either do a stream or I'll sit down and do these videos regularly because I actually do this quite a bit. I like buying jewelry. It's it's like a hobby. It's not really something that I do as like my main moneymaker. But it's something that's fun, and you can't have scored quite a bit. I think I already told you guys, but I got a Cartier ring out of here one time. It was about a $2,500 ring. And I think the jar of jewelry was $100, so it was well worth my investment. But that's the jar. That's what we got. Let me know if you like what you saw. Leave me a comment down in the description below if there's something in here that I missed or something that I didn't see. And if you're interested in buying the wholesale lot, let me know, and I'll ship you out a box of crap. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you would, please like, favorite, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.